Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Galaxy A20s device, and now I'm gonna show you how to record calls on this smartphone. So, to record calls, firstly, you need to open the Play Store and find here Cube ACR. And click install. Then click open, next, grant, while using, hello, wait while, enable app connector, scroll down, choose install the apps, installed services, then Cube ACR app connector, enable, hello, okay, hello, no thanks, okay, cross on the left top corner, and great, now your calls will be automatically recorded by this cool application. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.